Be very attentive. And when we have removed the bed sheet, we have not lost anything. When the ignorance is removed, nothing is lost. Because what is ignorance? Ignorance is not an object. Ignorance of the self. How can you lose anything? So, what is the ultimate spiritual practice? Be very attentive. Work on this sincerely. A simple process. Nothing to gain and nothing to lose. ना कुछ पाना है, ना कुछ खोना है. Because there is nothing to gain, there is no struggle of efforts. And nothing to lose. Therefore, no sorrow of loss. Putting these two things together, nothing to gain and nothing to lose, is equal to the infinite, ananta. Infinite plus minus, anything is infinite. Ekameva advitiya. Therefore, behind the ignorance, behind the avidya, which itself doesn't exist, is hidden the divinity that we are. And that is called as the delusion. Delusion creates illusion. Unless the delusion is removed, illusion cannot go away. And what is the delusion? Ignorance. Ignorance is not an object. See, my dear friends. Therefore, even if we start spending some time on this simple technique, wherever you are sitting quiet, for 2 minutes is enough. Do it slowly, slowly. You are not going to get anything, so relax. You are not going to lose anything, so relax. In due time, the mind dissolves in consciousness. This is the meaning of Jantoho Kruta Vicharasya, he who has contemplated upon this understanding. See? So there is something we do not know, but then we imagine, project, it could be this, it could be that. Exactly the same way. Everything is Paramatma. But because we do not know, therefore, somebody is friend, somebody is enemy, somebody is living, somebody is dead, somebody is good, somebody is bad. The moment we remove this avidya, ignorance, we come to know Mayi eva sakalam jatam, Mayi sarvam pratishtitam, मयि सर्वं लयं याति तद् ब्रह्माद्वयमस्म्यहम्. Everything is in me, but I am not in anyone. This experience, which cannot be defined in terms of finite measurements, is said in this simple way. Janto kruta vicharasya. Therefore, what should be the practice now? POK. Nothing to gain, nothing to lose. If this is true, then nothing to do, nowhere to go. So the struggle of knowing and the fear of losing has disappeared. So we don't have to become divine, and we don't have to be worried about the death of the body. When the dream is over, do we mourn? No. Janto kruta vicharasya vigalat vritti chetasaha. And therefore, his mind is totally free from all the thought formations. Dissolved, vigalat. See, galat means dissolved. Galat vritti chetasa. No thoughts are erupting. Because what are thoughts? Only two things. I want to gain something. Iha, Ichha. In the evening class we are seeing. As long as we are desiring something, we are samsari. So, even if the desire for God realization is a samsara, nothing to gain. Otherwise, normally what happens, see, if you do meditation, you will be healthy. Do meditation for blood pressure. Do meditation for sugar. Then you are not at all spiritual seeker. You are only a health frustrated fellow. Janto kruta vicharasya vigala vritti chetasaha. Then vijnana vashataha. And as a result, vijnana avashataha, you will be abiding in your own self. And how is this abidance in the self? Yogarato va bhogarato va sangarato va sangavihinaha yasya brahmani ramate chittam. He whose mind has made Brahman infinite as the object of knowledge, the mind dissolves. Vijnana vashataha nunam svabhava prasam prasidati. His divine nature starts being experienced by himself. This is how the Jivan Mukti manifests.